former Ghana Mampeni John Dramani Mahama.
Na watwi na beto dwasa make say no on my Ghana ahobamwo ku ahoto na wono nyina da efa adwumayefo adwumamu no Nyakopa ya dom osoafo no na on my Ghana oye interior minister kirem say medicals no ono ma ya wie Nyakopa ya dom na watwi mu susaso ba bontema Ghana fo nyina mo ma qualify no wono mahu wono ejinabia.
Minister for Roads and Highways Edin Sema Adjoa Agyei say ye mishu wo ye me bridge no eyade a enkosi mfimpim yenu ne aduonu nso de na ma ye wie.
Na de hia wonom edidwa e wakasoa new market. Wonom kirem say empenifo e ba besi 24 hour data market ntino. Wonom bedwam shop atu agwane wo ho akapa wo de adesere e de ato abanim.
Anglican Bishop Edema Kumasi Diocese akasa Agyei say eyade a mission schools ahodo no so eboa amempuntujuma etimi ba oman Ghana mu.
Ensemo no pina na kan ye sinkonwa e de besom mo say ewia prem to be kase wodier oha ne nsia Echiripo Enquires fidie so adwuma koi na asu asene
ensu papa ba adwama so obi ato agusa wotobi eye Lumba nsupanti wonsa enyanka bidi atutumikai sane be ya onsu betimi akwaje wode ye woni sache sanso ana bottle water ntise nhyemude bi na wo ye sa oni abusuafo ana enom ana mpo sa eye ankrakradwumede bi na wudi sa opese utu ne dodo eton de abetimi afrempin 4 0549 889685 hana 0549 43616.
Akenka for benu aya sinkonwa ebeso mawie no edi ameje so yo wofa ose ade ayo de wa at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hutedin ene banchwe bonana otafrija menem wofa aseba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye da ye ho ye pa ye de kasebo no ekiremu ankasa ebesom mo nansa na no me wofa ase kokofu sewa woni rose gold mosidi ye kasebo no eye de ba dia
Dama ebana nsempatie amamu nsem dia kase bode hinta nyina aha ne pa hontama DLFM 106.9 kase bono nie aha ne nyina yetie
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba efe tumilike neshia yen ewo Facebook and efinse YouTube na yamfa kasebo no echiri mankasa ensemmom yahya kasebo na se ede free na Lumba South mensenem ewo tifire mantemu na kra beto dear kasebo proso echiri mam abemu bi afi na wanyamfinhia no dunum 15 years old boy ne den ede Ali Isa da nipa bi atumi akednapo no wo mo yakwamukafo wo mo yan Roberts pam ewo eye kabuya eno no ewo na Lumba South mensenem ewo tifide mantemu emra mekesei abusia echiremu a we de supo na ehine wonom de ombesere o my Ghana post service mo de anye wonom mo office de asie no ano eden ye pam na kra no echiremu a asemu esiye ena no me na etwamu na eye kotonuma boss me nda to so aduonu miensa efempem mienu na aduonu nsiam a emra na abo ananju nodu ekopem anadwo duba 10 p.m. ekopem 11 p.m. nim omo ofia no muhu ne sei enipa bi aba a wonom efri eye bimbira omo ba ya omo sei yesrem wada eye hunu se hanom ena wugura de sika nyina opa ewo wonchen na abofra meka sei enipa bi afa no mu ya ne den di Ali yi sei na maame na wo fia na papa de na meka sei na wotu kwanti na onifie ena akromfo yi eka kire maame sei yesre wada ye hunu se wugura otade sika bi mutu ema ma odisie enti sika no ewo hefa yima yen ana oba ne ka kire wo mo se mesrem wada kapre jesi ya jida metusire sika ni fio nukure bi anim ti sika ne de meka se bubia na meboa o mo se dabi kana kura kire yen so wan kire ba sika ne sha ene beto wo so were ye beje wo kra afre wonsem mami ga kire wo mo se o sere wo mo ada kapre ebi ni ho enti obesere se o mbekunu mpa o pevise sika no kase bi ho no ma na wo poa o kire ma ade hye sechi ne dem ho hwehwe ne makeka bom am nanso wonom woye ewoye na eye bodem na mra mbo modin ahwehwe ho no ma hunu hwe na mo kirem se tapi se sika ni hade a ena wo baba mu a wanya mfihia dunum Ali Isei ya de ne kɔ mbo modin peja abofrei ena hrabasa tontentan wo mo de ne kwakram na nka ne kirem se meka sei enya semukuma kram ne papa enyankra e wo mra wo de ne bai ekoye chi ana mo ka kire ne so wura say na ba wo baba mu an den ade eligi sei akronfotachu ma betam no ade ntem mo pesika ye nya bi ntem mo de ne sen ade hye aka say kire mi say enipa mba ho no be fa abofra ne mu no wonom efri bimbira no mo susu say wonom ye fulani fo a wonom so enya nantwie yi bi na nipa omkọbọ mo de akotam wonom ba wanya fihye dunum so mo so ye fulani fo mo so ede nantwie ekwade de o mekasa mu kire mi say asem na no ye ba pem sam na ye kasa mo ba no mu hu de ntem besra wo man Ghana ahobambo ko nyina ne say de asie ni wo mo de ameboa na abofa no mo mpe na kira kwan efam wo mo je mbre ne santwefo kasem sei in the Tuga.
One of them, they met in the room, 2 women. Yes. That's the wife, and that's the youngest wife, the last wife she's having. Then, according to the woman, when she was also in the room when 2 people came in with guns, and by then she was milking the small girl there. Then the small girl was lactating, rather. And they said she should get up. Then she get up. She thought who is that? Then he said, get up, we want money. Give us the money. They say, which money? The money that your husband has given to you to keep. Say, my husband given me money. They said, yeah, we heard you are the one keeping your husband's money. So bring it. There's no money here. Then she said, there is no money, yes. Then they scattered the room, searching. Even the mats that they were using, they should get up. They took everything out. And she said, where is the money? They said, if you only kill me, you kill me because there's no money in the room. You won't get money because we don't have money. Say, but we heard you have 2 crowds. I said, no. Who ever told you have 2 crowds? It's a lie. And we even heard that you are the one keeping your husband's money. Say, it's a lie. I don't have money, and he has not given me any money to keep for him. So for me, even if you kill me, you only kill me here, but I don't have anything again. I don't have anything with me. Then they did not beat her. That's why she's saying that. So they took off a stick. Now she showed me where she was beaten from the head. They beat her well, and she was crying, telling them that she don't have. So even if they can kill her, if they want to kill her, because they can kill her, but there's no money. They can search, and if they get this, but for her, she don't have any money here. Currently, actually, when it happened, we were actually waiting for the husband to come. You know, he was not around. So when he came, the next step is to go to the police station, report to them, then we see the way forward.
Enti eni a woti ye ayabemu afi ne wajan finhia etunum ani din edi Ali Isa ana meka sei enipa bi akofa ne nomu ewo Namumba South mensinim ewo Tifido Mantemu na awofo ene yede asomu awie
Yantwa Kasiabone so Natema Regional Police Command Achi School Mufra Enaya Omowa Ada Senior High Technical School nim efa yeka samfoni ebeto ja na chese school for no achese kan omudi hune na school for aka ewo campus so na ya police for statement omudi beto ja fiade etwemu kotoni mabo so mene de toso aduonu mienu won fimpi mienu ni aduonu nsia yimu echiema ya ade akasamfoni omonsa kan ye beye ahomachembe ye no ye dumienu abapon simano edun achese na video no enam social media ne so dada ene ye night patrol team no ebomodin eco school mu honum se ne be ye ombetimi akohwe na niema etimi abras na school penifo no eboa ye ma police for etimi chemo friend na omudin eye Raymond Jemfia wedding fishiano eye dun wotwe sanso ana Oscar amemoai ono so wedding fishiano eye dun wotwe Odate Wilson enso edin fishiano eye dun wotwe abako aka ho de no osapa na chese video no no so ewo mu bin na mprempren de ya de amofra enan ewa police for aka che omobu amahwehwemu etimi akoso na police for so fa akonya ne so ade kokobo de ma school for ne so mohwe ne ye se ye menteme ho asibi krampo na ne eye o college ebenya enkofa se kan ya na se bibia no ebetimi epramo na emomu hwe ne ye se bibia no betimi aso ano boko no sanso ade adesre ade to awofo ne school penifo anim so mohwe emofra ne su ye no mohwe sa ho hye so betimi akoso se ne ebe ya amofra ne so no ebetimi ede school emra so na hwehwemu no eguso ekoso nti bibiara ebebe echi na police fo chema omode ba aba abetudwa nti we ni nsem Efitema Regional Police Command ho abetudwa
Yantwa Kasiabo no so ne yenyina mu ewo Ghana mampeni beremo oboada yan papa John Dramani Mahama akache na Ghana mampeni edensem atudwa echirem sei oman Ghana bandada no eye International Monetary Fund IMF nchehya ya abandada no ede oman Ghana ko mu no eka de nanka aban fofrei ehuritina o man Ghana benwa so no enke guo no manum ase pa na mom hyehye pa o mka bo mu de gu akwan mu ti nene abo esikasemi ekonenem enkakra Ghana mampeni yam papa John Dramani Mahama e de sade tudwamra na resetting Ghana eyansra hwedwumadi a okoya anaja ochini eye savana mantemnim e wana no meme na etwam na eye kotonuma bosom yimre toso de numiensa e won fempem mienu ne aduonu ensiamu am Ghana mampeni echirem se si amekese no wohwe abanda da no dwumadi bi omudi ya yankopon ni abonsemanim na no ede ne pa otumi se bosi amokwaje ye no o manhwem amfa anya adwuma se de ho hyehye tie ndikofo how pa na benedi na beto abanfo fere koma nyanyame ne fa afie ne hyepon gu akwan mu pa de yankasa mre anka membo no eda na butukra Ghana mampeni echirem se si amekese wanom abadwumade mene Ghana hyehye pa koma ye nea na ya dwumaden soronko ne na ban wanom ayem Ghana mampeni echirem a na bana do ne maku akwan mu ahwe mene yesikasem gusu a ekonanim enkakra o mampeni se yemfanto Ghana fu anim sem empenifa wanom no mo hwe o man Ghana IMF enhyehye yeso no o maba o manyim abede o mani kotu awisie ebede dwumadi ati abo Ghana fu abaso se dwumadi soronko a ye de ne nhye pa bande gu akwam ne yade a ekonkan ye pa ne senti efedi kan no man ye wi bibia akafa na tran champion so omede ba na enu twa to kwa na se o man Ghana enya de abosia no ye betrimi akwakwaji bio Ghana man peni chirim se wo mo hwe anim se de twa to no enche penifo de bebre yen de abom esikasem akonkan na so chirim se yamfa nto Ghana fu anim se abana da akwaje ebosia e de betena man mu ebegura to pre ebedi sika ne sa mo manya hunama ne pam ne senti yakoya nimi de betwam a yankwaji bia wuda Ghana man tenase na emfe yen hyebre nkwahya abrofo nse omna yaje yefa hu de na abrofo no mekire ne ma yenye ene ebusumudu afiaso yefa amanfo adwuma na abrofo aka kire mo de yeka enti yampene mo fa adwuma muntumi ntua yeka sa no yakopo ya adom na de betwam a aben onkwaji bi okra
build the reserves even higher to be able to cover 15. We've come up with a new policy to build the reserves even higher to be able to cover 15 months of imports so that in the event of any external shock, Ghana's economy will be resilient and will not be affected. We have also come to the end of the IMF program. We inherited the IMF program from the previous government. At the time we took over from the previous government, all the agreed performance indicators were out of track. It meant that the program was in danger of derailment. And so in the first quarter, after we took over, we had to take some stringent action to bring the program back into alignment and bring it back on track. And I'm happy to report that we're able to do that. The first mission that came approved the program, the second mission approved it, and the final mission just left Ghana last week, and they have given us a satisfying mark for performance. Is now going to the board, and the board will release the last tranche of $380 million to support the Ghanaian economy. But we're not going to have a kinky party because we believe that it is still work in progress. Unlike others who left the IMF and held wachi and kinky parties, happy to be free from the IMF, we are not doing that because we know that our economy still needs a lot of work to be done. And so we've agreed with the IMF to replace the extended credit facility with a policy coordination instrument. It means that every 6 months, we and the IMF will sit down and look at how our reforms are going and see whether we are still maintaining the kind of discipline that we started with or things are not going very well. And so we'll still have a program, technical assistance with the IMF, but it will not be exactly a program. And there's no bailout involved in this. And it is my hope
DLFM.
that this is the last time that Ghana will go to the IMF for a bailout.
Eni ya uti yeyi eye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama.
Yentwa kasiabone so na imebunuku eno ewo ada traditional area ede adesrekrata akomo mampeni John Dramani Mahama so mesho makwan enfema wamsanso anomaya wisabi ahodo eno ewo honum no mo bokoko echiemu se infie bebrene anachese mpuntudwuma entimi enkoso ewo mpatem honuma eno nam so emo omoso asetenemu entimi enkoye na ya adesrekrata yomode koye eye meminde etwemu kotoni ma bosomene de toso aduonu miensa ɛwɔ mfimpi mienu ne aduonu nsia yi mu a kyese ɛyɛ ɔmo from se ada youth ɔmo ada traditional area na ɔmo de kɔ na nipa odi ɔmo anim ɛyɛ opesika ɛyɛ tete Publampu ana di omanim ɔmo de adesrɛ krataa no ɛde kɔma aban echiem ɔmo mɛyɛ ɔmo akwan no ɛmfa ɛma wɔn so na ɔmo hia street light ahodoɔ Oba eyoma pomuden ho sem so ayaresabia ho no mu hia niema bebre sanso ana sea defense infrastructure ni nyina no eyade omu hia ewo mpotem ho no na yade atemamufo wo ho no ebreye papa pa wo kompotem ho no yade omu ye nchene sanso ana omu yi nam omu ye kuadwuma okọ ho nso ye tourism ahodo tourist site ahodo wo ho no no ebu omu ema omu nye ska na emom esan ha we ye da ho no mti no ema o masitena mu entimi enkoye no ma kwan ensia omude tu eya adesrekrata ni mu chiem aban emeye mfama we sanse no ano mofa so enso edidi omudwuma no mo sanso esre street light eni o ma kwan ni so ndi edu enumre sumu pa eno nam so makro no bo ekoso wo hono ma wonam hono ma na chesa ho bible ho nsem entimi enkoso ye nto mo sra aban se street light ahodo ne so no onfa embe sisi honom enfema won se ne be ye edu anadwo no mo so nam kwan ne so a omo nyon se boni bia ebetimi atowom eba pomuden ho nsem so no mu hia ambulance say emergency bi eba na chesa your doctors na nurses for so mo honom no na akoye ho akese e de ama wo mesan ambulance eni ho into mo sra ban so betimi abomode ama mo ambulance no mo sapomuden ho nsem so no etimi akoso yen omo san so esre ye say ye kasa jomo no so ewo ho no mo chema nka ban emeye no abefo de emfa ema wom na ye sea defense project ahodo no so meye sakraye wom emfa ema wom mesan so mo breye papa na bro mo ne nsɛmtwerɛfo atwetwe nkɔmɔ na mo de nsɛm sei edit udwa.
As we read loudly in the petition, we as the youth of Ada are very much concerned about our road networks, the development. Our road networks, there are no light system or lighting system on the streets. The road on which we pass, the road on which we march before getting here, you could realize that there is no single street light on the road. Over 12 kilometers road has no single street light. That is not all. Major roads in the district, the two districts, Ada East and West district, have no single bulb or light on the road. It means we are at risk when we travel at night. Moreover, the road network in the district, the two districts, are very bad. When you take from Sege to Lolonya, Nakomkope to Kolodo, you take from Kase to Adanfo, and take from Adanfo to Totope, then you come from, let me say, Kase
DLFM,
to Kajanya, and you take it again from Kase to Asigbekope and Okujetokope Road. You could realize that the people of Adan have been, in the dark for too long. Over 34
Eni ya uti ye eyo pesika tete eye Publampu ono anedi Ada youth eye group eno ewa Ada traditional area mu ho no mu chema mu hia sa bai enso ebe yo makwan ede ama wom no mapomuden ho samso no matimi ahwa ma wa ambulance ahodo any street light ahodo mu nso ehia ewo potem ho
yan to akase wo no so na yemfe ye ne mfa kire o my Ghana ase ya hwe o man ya fisem ensensem eso mekire interior minister o kire ma sesei mpenifo bi enkatam ede to honom ana wonom epa adwumayefo akopoa na o my Ghana ho bambo ku ni nyina no o manya tom ede ahye mabo adwumaden asom o man ene Ghana Armed Forces, Ghana Immigration Service, Prison Service, Ghana ene Fire Service na Ghana Police Service ne ade do na Prison Service nyina ka ho a ene enkata to honom Ghana for mpema nkoma na omunyina de omudi koye so mokwa akɔpa adwuma ne bi akwayem nanso mpenifo aduadua mu a oma qualified do na frɛ mu kɔ sese oma mokɔ o mani mu no na aduso oma moden akoye o medical examination kakran nkra beto dwa kyerɛ mi sɛ Nyankopɔn ayɛ adom Nyankopɔn ayɛ adom a kyɛsɛ ne na wotwie mu enda mpenifo ede wono medical examination sunsuano ba bonten na obi ahu ne gina pen sɛ obenya adwuma ne bia yɛ na sɛ obɛkyerɛ ne baabi na okopa adwuma hofro akwaye na Minister for Interior onimnyamfo Mohammed Muntaka Mubarak ode nsema todwa ekire mi sɛ o man Ghana de hye bebro beye 105,000 ɛna omunyina da enya akwanya omunyina qualify sɛ eja omukwa kwahwe omapomudin maboa na ayi security services no makwanya adwuma atumi ahyem na meka sɛ empenifo epe enipa no 5,000 pe impim enum enipa oha ene impim num oha ne impim num na omu nyina qualify na say no empenifo pe mu impim num pe 5,000 ena ye pe e dey free 105,000 nim na say 100,000 ne de ekire di mbetena se na manum nsu atwen wo pe na ndrada ena openipa ne den e de eye onumnyamfo muntaka mubalak or decided to ga emna Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama resetting Ghana to dwumedia eto dwa e was Savannah mantem no meme nayi eno onumnyamfo ekire mi say empenifo gusu a wonom ene mase bedwafo ene mensina hodo no eka bom aboa na dwumadie no ne ma konkan e de ma de hia wonom e de wo krata akwakwada empenifo yi o kire ma sesei dodo na qualify a bibia be konkan de ma wonom monso so a man qualify no penifo betena se no man hye pa hwe se be ya monso so am be ka kire mre simu no won betumi afamo adwuma.
I can assure the general Ghanaians that next week the results of the medicals that has been conducted will be released. And graciously, His Excellency intervened with the Minister of Finance to double the intake that we are going to take. We are currently working closely with your MPs in the case of Savannah, led by the original minister and Honorable Yusuf Suleimana, to make sure that at least those who qualify for the medicals get first entry into our recruitment program that we are carrying. We want to assure you that nobody will be left behind. And he has given firm instructions that we should keep the data of all the applicants, because we cannot use just 1 year to deal with all these issues. So that from those pool of resources, we can be pooling as and when opportunity comes to recruit into the service.
Aha. Aya kakra. Yen tumi mfa dodo ni nyina da krope. Ye koye ni mu no, omben kakra nkra sa akopem se wanom betimi afa nipa aka wo nyina qualify no no obi akwa kwanya adwuma ne bi na watimi ajem na no achi no nimnyamfo muntaka mubala kasa mu ene wekire mam aban ade hyehepa ade agua kwa mekese no ogbo no homoden se wonom betimi apaw eye national signal bill eye wonom office foforo kra ho ntoma e wa Savannah mantem nim interior minister ekire mi se na ya asase won sensem asase edikan yo munsan kan ba bia wo no na ben kwa ho pe ekoba ne saa pa adwumade omudi ne saa na yese omde ko ba bia ho no ehinta kakra ne senti omantumi anye ho no amfantum sese o kirem se mpenifo abomene omunsa katare sam fofora eno beboa pa adwumade omudie no ne ma kwankan enche bia be hya ase na gya omo atimi anya ase foforo pam e de ama NIB eye asoye no e wo Savannah mantem nim wasande nsema todwa ekirem se ye koya ne mu no ohwe animu sanya hwekura no enipa bebro be ye aduonu eye 22,000 empim aduonu mienu omoye Ghana mebunu ena ba behwe afa wonom se be ya obia betumanya adwuma ye na bosumido onye kakra etimi dia hwefie.
None of our Ghana Immigration Service had not a single independent regional office. All the offices are squatting in one government office or the other. He embarked on a big mission to ensure that we provide enough space for our immigration so that they'll be able to carry out their duty very well. As we speak, he's giving us the resources, and we've started 7 regional offices, and 1 is in Damango here for the Savannah. We are doing Tamale for Northern Region. We are doing 1 in Asante Region in Kumasi. We are doing Tema, we are doing Sunyani, we are doing Cape Coast, and we are doing Sekendi, Takoradi to make sure that we house our immigration officers very well. As we speak, we've gotten, with his blessing, we are constructing a fire station in Bole to make sure that we are able to provide what they call the fire services to Bole and its environs because of the nature of the markets and what have you. I want to assure all of us that we have an eagle eye. As we speak, we have cameras in Damango, we have security cameras in Bole, we have security cameras in Dambao, we have security cameras in Salaga, we have security cameras in Savannah alone. We have 7 cities that we have cameras.
Ne kwakra mo no ena signal bill wala mje paso ya mpeso munya ewo Savannah mantem no so obo mu komo kakra e de kire nsentwerefo yenkwiti bi.
Among the other wonderful things that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has done with the security was to partner the Youth Development Ministry to help 22,000 young men, 5,000 into the Ghana National Fire Service, where they will be trained over the years to support the National Fire Service, 5,000 into the Ghana Prison Service, where they will be trained to assist the prison officers, and 12,000 were also engaged in the police service. And our promise to them was that at their exit, they will be the first to be considered when we are going to have recruitment. And that's something that President Mahama is doing to help the youth and also help the security situation in our country. I must speak specifically to our region, Savannah. When President Mahama came, the National Signal Bureau, a tool that we use to be able to quietly identify troublemakers and silence them or to bring them to order, was the National Signal Bureau. He came to inherit only 3 offices, that is Greater Accra, Asante region, and Northern region, that's Tamale. Under his leadership, we've been able to extend these National Signal Bureau offices to Ho, that's Zota region, to the Bunu region, that's Sunyani, Bunu East in Tachima, and Eastern region in Koforidua.
Any woti ye ayo my Ghana. Also for no and was show main Yafisem Eswa Metre Interior Minister Oniminyamfo Mubarak Muntaka Mohammed Enamote Nini.
Yantua Kasiabone Sona Minister of Roads and Highways Saya Kwame Gavins Agboja Akasa HMuse Eyade Abai Ebon Homoden Sanya Beye Yemishu Woyema Eye Bridge no Ewa White Voter River Nesono Enkopem Eye Fimpim Yenu near Duno Son de no metimi Aye Bridge no Ewie. Now Chema way Eka project and no Abai no big push infrastructure ye program omo ye Sanya Beye Nisubetimi Abua na Eye Ghana Sikasemetimi Akos na chese niema ahodo a woso moye no mutimi bua ewo ye tifido mantem ni nyina no soso na omatimi ayen na project yo chema ewo eye 210 meter bridge no ewo white voter enu ye mishuwo ye me ye corridor ne so sanso ana 9.4 kilometers eno so eye akwan ye no befa eye north east upper west ene eye savannah mountain nim aye Gakos construction limited for na show mon so mo hwese project ahodo ni na no omubetimi ayen na bro call road inspection tour ewo north east mountain nim ana Mr. Boja ekasa no chemu se abaya ebo ne homode se project we ni na no enkopim ye mfimpim yenu ne aduonu nso de na ometimi aye project na wie inti no odensam e de ato contractors na nim so omomodea no montina site no se ne be ya omubetimi aye kwan ni na etimi ede amawom esan se ya de Ghana Highway Authority for so ehwe se ka omudi omuni na no ombetimi etwe kano ede amawom na omuchie ma ya de asane ma we beboa ama kwantu nso no etimi akoso yen sanso no magya beye 500,000 acres I know so no eya asase a ombetimi ede aduamo na timi aboa mo musikasam so na timi akoso ye inti sa project ahodo mo ye ewo mantem honim na betimi aboa amate ohia so ede amatememfo nso so a omowo ho.
He's directed that this bridge must be fixed at all costs by the end of 2027. And that is our marching order. And that is what is going to happen. So we want to encourage the contractors, whatever outstandings you have on this project, through Ghana Highway Authority, let us have, if there's anything left which is unpaid. And now that you have remobilized your site, please don't move until we finish this. I know in a few weeks' time, the president himself is going to be here to see what you have done. And from what I'm hearing, you might be almost completing the launching of the steel part before he comes here, and let that be our commitment. We believe this bridge actually expresses what Big Push means. Big Push is not about just building roads for the sake of it. It's about unlocking the potentials trapped in various parts of the country. Yes, it may look like a bridge only, but when you hear the regional minister talks about 500,000 acres of arable rice growing fields, it should tell you that it is not merely a bridge project. Big Push means more than a road project. And that is the focus of President Mahama.
And then uti ye a Minister for Roads and Highways Saya Kwame Gavins Abuja.
Yan toa kasebono so ne yemfa ya mfanchire mu e wo finfin mante mu mekire Central Region na yenkopie mu e wakaswa. Na mekasai ene shop dodo na e wakaswa new market. Ena mpanifo ebubu ni nyina. Aba mekasi ade hia mpempem mu yadwadifo na oma no aduane abowo nom. Na de ntia mpanifo tu anamoi enyasem kuma. Na wone mu kirem se structures ene mpanifo abu atu agu no edo so pa ebi eye cassava mills omo pule ni nyina down o meme na etwa mu yi na no eye kotonuma bosome na toso aduonu miensa e won fempem mienu ne aduonu ensia mu am municipal assembly no ehwe nim so betumi aboa se be yam eye 24 hour economy dwadata omusi e wakasoa no won betumi asi ne bia honom kama na dwadifo na nka so mo ha wono dwumade omudie no bibia tumi akonkan ede ama wonom na ade share shops eye wo modia no echirim se esem ya si ama sitinem be ye den pa de amom fi say enya de assembly no na adwadifo no ede ne ye kram adwadifo akire mi say memorandum of understanding ye be kan say MOU inti asia pam mense no assembly no ena adwadifo no anko brenkrum ehu kwapom nyina be fa so to niema inti ama kwa ade na akwaye putupuru no mabebu ato agu a ama ho kire pa no hia fita asabe etwen abo akoto eto na pada so no ebi aka won mun adwadifo akire mi say ede adea na dwempo abanye sie no eyeden ya da eyedwa ene wode yem enti adenti ana aban anya abotre na wanto no bo ase no na dwadifo nyina anko benkuro mu ansa nene obubu ehɔ ne mu wo mu kirem sɛ de asie no ɛko bɛde wɔ no ma eden pa ne senti mense no ene o ma hye badwani emeya na fisɛ de asie no ahokyere na ban ede akasa bi ehiafo ma
omo bubu shop more than 20 ewa hanom no enu na egugu on obi toilet eni niamaniama ni na eti yesre no ye papa jo mama ye na na evoti abanu ma no ewa hanom new market hanom no ye mami na akoyo ye frɛ no susu a onfi ye obatapa a ye frɛ wo a unfi ye na wo ma omukodi de eti ye frɛ no ye frɛ ye papa su jo mama no mbra asem we mu ya ye wo papers ni na eni do mu ni papers ni na aban ye Ghana fo eti omu hwɛ no mu ka bibi emfa hu enye say na ebe tu kwan aja Ghana mo mu obi anvoti mo mu manu asi.
What pay me a lot is my father. My father is a pension man, and he has spent all his pension money to invest on this commel, and this commel is going to be demolished. You can imagine, as I'm talking to you now, my father is sick. He fell sick. Since from the day he heard that they are going to demolish here, my father is laying in the house sick. Well, now you can imagine how he's going to survive. All his pension money has been invested here, and all is going to be demolished.
Emodio, my father is still in the house, sick very well. Ne papa at the fee, and a yadena to many pa. We a your mind Ghana. A dreadful one etonton one maniama, ewa kaswa, new market, and a much me say. And penny for bubu one shops in Yatuagu. Ama asitrema ya dempa man contact to be into man what dinner, and our musufre and a ye. Ya de asum na wɔn manu si ye pe na ene ye kaswa assembly no empirifo wɔn mo da eye atoyenchem aboafo edwumedi anom mekire National Disaster Management Organization NADMO okwankyerefo pe no da wɔn manu nash eye nyade ekire mu sei dwumedi omudie no ehu behia pa se ombetumi aboa na ade hye ne wɔn ho akanyankasa enye be ya papa atumi atenase na ɔmapo adwuma na ɔman so yakɔ anim okire mu enne bɛyɛ moton ade o new market na du ba bia in fact ahomete ba bi basa sa enkon kane won bɛ sɛ mo boado do na nyebe papa kɔtena na nipa wodom tonton ntone ma ɔkwan ho no obi afiri kwankyɛn na ɔkɔtwam kɔton ade o kyerɛ me sɛ wo ma mu shop no nyina fi sɛ bi ho no ma na dade no me nda no wo ma adwumenti won pɛ sɛ mbɛ sɛ megya bate tienko po yad ma na watwi mu nso won bɛ sɛ mo bia kwani na boa sɛ bɛ yɛ dwa hodo aka shop no ho makɔbu ni nyina to agu na 24 hour market no etumi abana kaswa fo mankasa mo ho ahenham
we kaswa new market na sentemu ana say yaban a ewo so e hye bo say oba 24 hour economy market no or the beko district bia ana municipality bia na ende ena ye sha say yen kaswa fo no ye demolition na de wo mu ni say we have engaged every stakeholder obi a owo shop bia ebe can project ni be kan bia no for several times ni ye mitiom ewo market a ye ni omadi nkomo municipality na momati asese wo a wo MOU bia e cover wo shop bia na say project bia wa ye bia wa ha say no Fabra assembly ho na mpanifo nhwe na se be kan so a on be hwe kwan be fa so on be compensate you the ebubu ye no uncompleted shops any ebubu so far yen fa yen sanka shop bia e operate because endra market day and there amumba market na ye nim say bebre na yi om niama ba ye observe ye ne ye say still na dodo na niama egum yiye ntino eno sa no na etwa se yesa eni omu ekasa na ende ni echina yi no amutimi epe baabi na omu yi omu niama no ekona project no timi koso
ene wuti yi ono na yo kwankyerefo pani a oda aseye hwe omen atoyenchem aboafo adwumaku anom mekire municipal NADMO director edema kasar nempotem Mr Nash Nyande ena wote ni we yenyina we so yenkenka madwenkyere ni bi emfa ensom na yenko Facebook no so ehwa na Ghana de hye ede wono madwenkyere ede afa na adwenkyere dika no efiri mi wofa se Emmanuel abam ode aba na wose ne din ede sample na ohwe live edi free asen kwanta wasen south na wase ya pa awreko sesabe enipa pa won na wofo wo fie abofra dunum finhia dunum na obi akwatam de na dwane wafa ne numu aposifo moa na yentumi hwehwe akronfo no akira kwan na Star Boys wo hwe live edi free ahafumem airport wase ya dayas na adwumade an yebo esom DLFM etiefom na Richard Ahwede aba na wase o meya ha o Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ana afi Adjoa Agyei Sikapa o kirema kasebo ne mu odepa no hwe live am na enam DJ Ghanaian fide ne so a na eye gbechire station DLFM manes odayase na adwumaden sonko a yebo edesom o man Ghana o kirema kasebo ne yo na po bam ede ade kasen na ode aka ho ede abam na Boaten Samuel ofulu Boaten eye our Ashanti regional correspondent ede aba na wo kirem say enchi akase yankoma Mr Benjamin ochire oye manso emosia so wono ma assembly member no ho no wo o kirem say we dia Mansia West district no obadwumadin yi pa na was best ever news and wode abai meda se same sanso na Sandra abekan de abam na was o my how DL kase ohwe live edi free tama free zone kase ne ye taxi angaza na o kirema ode ne nchi akase de mama odo broni papa bi odo na pa yakopon koso ehia no na onto ne nkwandem na Sandra abeka san de aba na was Lumba Super the best drinking water in Ghana and beyond ye kan super wi ase agidian na Lumba Super no de 100% emojis no ede asoso ede aba na Richard Ahwe ede aba na wo kire mi say insuo ni sade ato na no odin ye pa gbekire ho na modie o mode adesere eto abanim say o ma no ho modem pa na drainage system no o meyi ya kan toto nom na insuo ni yiri pe na fa wonom ama asetirem ayeden contact bentum DJ Ghanaian na edifri gbekire station na ode aban na me wofa ase dole ya agyei de aba na wase o ma ya ha o Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa wedding kasebo ne mo de hwe live edifri Christian village achemota dia news oja wom na odija emojis no ede aka hom na dole ya agyei wakra de aba na wase kaka diama bole na ode aka ho ene wode aba na Kofi Parliament de aba na wase Ghana eyo man bia ya somdwe man pante nyina yanka bomba ako ne emfa o man Ghana enko nanim ohwe live edifri aguna Bobby Kuma apa na dola na wamfa yinkrakasa na ma ena ya nanka kufutela mo hwehwe ena de wo de ba nanka wo fa ma prepare chiri basa bi sa nanka ekuanim ohum nti Kofi bua na memfa wo de ma adofo na yen source na najwa time no aso no meje kunwa no emesom o man Ghana som pevise ne yem papa Daddy Lumba ne Monday special pint yemfa ni agrokra yen source na najwa mra na o me prepare chiri man Kofi yenko awode edika no eko ediama me wafa se ne din ede Sandra obo eye Belitos owo tutu akuapem na ne brofo matwede tattoo ni o say this year may you level up in every area, health, peace, purpose and plenty of joy. Keep shining, keep leading and keep being you. Enjoy your day. May fear more blessings. Sandra obo Belitos from your loved ones, all your friends and loved ones. And I'm saying, ne, yemfa woda sonko, yemfa wa hofedua wudin, ede mafia, wudin shada keme Sandra obo, yaminshira opi, ekuapem tutu, ena uwo, tutu ekuapem, yaminshira woda no, onya na sonko, awofo, ene wadofo nyina, masi yemfa woda sonko we no, Kofi yemfa ema wom. Dedi hobio, eko ediama, nana owisia ebrefi, eye koto, nana owisia ebrefi koto, we ye first wenchi chra, kafohima. Wey every ni tete Richmond Doctor Amagashi ne personal bodyguard na no tirem sende twidi amponyankopon e dia fe ba ko besa yadom e dia kan fi wonti wey enkonfama nyame enhira opri no ntetra ko ba mu no ma wunyansa ne bebu man happy birthday enkonfama ho nana owusia ebrefi koto a wo ye first wenti tra kafohima ya me enhira opri no awoda no onye no soron kokram na ne kwakra mu e kwade ma Jacobu abuabo dehye. Yes, we are ardent listener Edema DLFM 106.9. Brofa Beni, may God grant your heart desires and order your footsteps. Happy birthday to you. Senior man Jacobu Abuabo this year. Yamishra P. Say DLFM, unfenia gonna retain 24/7. And then, my papa be. Silver lady, fita sakato, which remene, Yankopon, Edia Feba, Condia Canfia Hodiam. Umpejao. Oma unkwana and what Nasa season a penny once and can be happy birthday once again. Jacobu Abuabo this year. We had ardent listener at the DLFM 106. Yakupon shana wodano. Onyane son kokra we every PM programs manager at the DLFM 106.9. Fita sa kado. Seva lady no se yemfa woda sunku we no. Yemfa emma kase boni ye de si. Emusemufo no ye maize me berantwi na wo se mu edema na kofiansa be kono hwe mede ayi bi to ho me ye ayi wini ba road we bi to ho nom ka de to so a seconds na yen source ye time no kopa ensuo ne yesremo se de eto na no wadene ensuo ne topa anti e besremo ahyenkafo no mu amonam ekwan mu ne yesremo we eye last week de no last week ensuo ne eto ne sika hwe Facebook no so a ene YouTube a wa hu se de tie no we last week ensuo eto ye no eye saa kasoa de ko wini ba kwantempon a kopie mu eye Cape Coast no say na aye last week say ni hu ne ye say no said ya to ne na no wadene san last week de no enti e bia na besene enti yesremo o manga na hyenkafo ene akwantufo munya brebre na momfa yenkom na somdwie mu monso so a modan bembe nsu anu nsu anu momode an ye ni firi wo hede nsu ni yira firi fie pie ba bi kwahye ohu dua bi kwa na befo afro say be ye kine bi nsu no emfa wo mfa nkro enti mohwa mo hu ye na nsu na eto no enkofa ya to ye nchem emfa emma kasebere mu semfo ne ya miss mebele ntwene se mu ban yen champion tailor be mu oboada e de ekopie mu Facebook NF yitima kasebo no wonya bi ehwe ye makese e bomode am emola support e wo fie hanam Mr. Samira kwa to da bono mane se DJ Zigby echinchim kasefrem froma edesum ya hwai akenkafo ye mienu edi ameje so yo wofa o se ade yo de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B menem ho fa se ba ahofe ene ngwesra ehwa no ne din ade
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ahofe dua no yes also na Adjoa Sik na pamfo kwam ya fum na fi sexy journalist ade dira wadwumade no eto aso dia asome mamu nyina mo ene tia ade hye
midimafo pokwase Nhyiraba Accra midimafo pokwase Nhyiraba Accra
midimafo heba clinic aba Accra
ani owontie passengers egumi kai mu yi ehwa na dodo na ekro
eni sa Accra ne potem ye demo